हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम डॉक्टर मनु कौशल। मैं केमिस्ट्री की फैकल्टी हूँ और ऑथर भी हूँ। मेरी बुक्स अमेज़ॉन पर अवेलेबल हैं। आप डॉक्टर मनु कौशल के नाम से सर्च करेंगे तो जीके पब्लिकेशंस के लिए मैं बुक्स लिखता हूँ। और आज डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मैकेनिज्म विच इज़ रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स बाय लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड। मेजॉरिटी लोगों को, मेजॉरिटी बच्चों को ये पता है कि कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स को लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड रिड्यूस करता है। लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट और रिडक्शन करके अल्कोहल बनती है। लेकिन ये किस मैकेनिज्म से बनती है, कैसे बनती है, वो बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद नहीं पता। तो आज मैं इसी के बारे में डिस्कशन करने वाला हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द थिंग्स। इट इज रिडक्शन ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड्स बाय लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड एंड आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट्स मैकेनिज्म। नाउ this is carboxylic acid. This is RCOH. It is carboxylic acid. And you have lithium aluminum hydride here. This is Li positive, AlH4 negative with a negative charge resting on aluminium. Now, the first step involves the acid-base reaction. See, this is carboxylic acid and this hydrogen is acidic enough. The one which I have ticked. This is acidic enough. So, one hydride ion means H negative ion. One hydride ion, this prefers to act like a base, and this H negative pulls out H positive ion from here. This H negative and this H positive, this forms H2. This electron of hydrogen is left with oxygen, so this becomes RCOO negative and lithium ion gets attached along. So this is lithium carboxylate and hydrogen which has been formed in the first step. Now if I talk about the second step involves again the attack of hydride ion. See, H negative, it pulled out H positive ion from here, and here we were left with this much. This much is AlH3 what we are left with, right? Since H negative had pulled out H positive aluminium, this aluminium has now become neutral. So this AlH3 is carried forward here, and from here, यहाँ से this H negative acts like a nucleophile. यहाँ से भी H negative निकला है. This is H negative which is moving out from here, and this is acting like a nucleophile. The pi electrons, they get shifted up, and the nucleophilic attack of H negative ion occurs at this positively charged carbon, resulting in the formation of this complex. This is R is here, a carbon here, O here. This O will bear negative charge. This O will bear negative charge, and AlH2 positive will attack here, will attack at this negatively charged oxygen. So this becomes OAlH2, which I have written here. O negative Li positive, O negative Li positive. This H negative acts like a nucleophile. It has attacked here. This H negative is lying here. So मेरे ख्याल से, to my mind, what I'm trying to make you understand, you have understood by now, right? So finally, I've reached till here, correct? Now further. Once we heat this complex, the bond gets broken from here. This group leaves, AlH2O negative and Li positive. These group, they leave. As soon as the bond breaks from here, this carbon gains positive charge, and these electrons, they come here and form a pi bond, resulting in the formation of an aldehyde. So what I try to tell you is that during the reduction of carboxylic acids to alcohols, in the intermediate stage, an aldehyde is also formed. So an aldehyde has been formed. This Li positive and AlH2O negative. This is left the molecule. Now on this aldehyde, again lithium aluminum hydride attacks. Now we know that the aldehydes and ketones, they undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. We are aware about this, that aldehydes, they undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. So this is another molecule of lithium aluminum hydride which I have taken from here. H negative, this acts like a nucleophile. Pi electrons, they get shifted towards oxygen, and H negative attacks at this positively charged carbon. So this carbon has two hydrogens now. This O is having negative charge, it is here. This Li positive is along with oxygen, and AlH3 is lying here. I think you might have understood the entire concept by now. Now, in the next step, this complex, this molecule, this reacts with water and picks H positive ion from here. This picks H positive ion from here, and hydroxyl ion, it goes with lithium ion, resulting in the formation of lithium hydroxide and an alcohol. So to conclude, I would say that whenever you react carboxylic acid with lithium aluminium hydride followed by a reaction with water, this is how it's written in the books. Am I correct? And what they do is generally they end up writing alcohol. So what is the entire mechanism to proceed from here till here? That mechanism I have dealt in my lecture today. So I think that you might be clear with the entire mechanism, the entire process by which a carboxylic acid gets converted into an alcohol on reaction with the lithium aluminium hydride. So keep working hard. See, chemistry is a science. It is not to be crammed, right? It is not to be crammed. ये रट्टा लगाने की चीज नहीं है, ये एक साइंस है, तो प्लीज इसको साइंस की तरह पढ़ें. Read it like a science, right? Take care, keep working hard. Bye bye. Jai Hind.